Oh, hey, you're here for the gun show, right? No? Oh, you're here for the Phases of Matter, correct? Okay, sorry about that. I'm waiting for somebody else. Where should I start? So, what you're taught in elementary school is that there are 3 phases of matter. First, we have gas. It's all around us. And we have water. All right? Refreshing. And then we have solids, which, this tree right here, solid. I know, right? But what they don't tell you is that there is more. There are 2 more phases of matter. First, we have plasma. And then we have the Bose-Einstein condensate. Now, to understand these phases of matter, we must understand the particles and molecules that work within these systems. Where'd you go? How'd you do that? Never mind. So let's talk about fermions. Fermions are our basic molecules, particles that make up all matter. They're the building blocks of matter. Like you say, the gas is made out of fermions. These trees are made out of fermions. The water that you drink and swim in is made out of fermions. But bosons are a special case. Bosons have energy. They carry energy. And they have a spin. Now what that means is that a certain amount of electrons will circle a boson. A photon is an example of a boson because they have a spin count of 1. Now, what you say in all this? Oh, you don't talk? Well, that's fine. Let's talk about plasma. Now, plasma happens when an ionized gaseous substance becomes highly electrical conductive. So much so that long distance electric and magnetic waves can control it. Some examples could be lightning, aurora borealis, stars, the tail end of a comet, even the lights within your classroom. I know, crazy, right? There's so much plasma. It's surprising. Next, let's talk about the Bose-Einstein condensate. Hey! Over here! No, over here, silly! Yeah, that's right! I know! I could do it too! Anyways, the Bose-Einstein condensate is a group of atoms that are cooled to within a hair of absolute zero. Zero. Zilch. Nada. I know my Chinese. But continuing, when they reach this temperature, the atoms are hardly moving and have no free energy to do so. So they start clumping together and enter the same energy states. Now when they clump together, they form a single quantum mechanical entity that can only be described as through a wave function on a near macroscopic scale, which is big but small. Small, big, however you want to explain it. But 2 examples of these materials containing Bose-Einstein condensates are superconductors and superfluids. Now, superconductors are conductors, but super. They have no electrical resistance and are aluminum, there could be magnesium, diboride, and other things I don't even know how to pronounce. I know. Big brain. But then the superfluids. Superfluids are fluids, but super, and they run forever, or they flow forever, because they have no friction and no resistance. Now, superfluids, the only one that I can come off the top of my head is helium. Helium is a superfluid because it runs on forever. It is a fluid and a gas at some point, but it is a fluid, superfluid. Superfluid. Crazy. So thank you for tuning into this chemistry video. Now, I know it was a little silly. That's my whole thing. I really just want to be silly while teaching people things, and that's something that I love to do. Now, my whole shtick It was really funny. But I like this concept. It was really fun to do at home. My sister's my camera woman. She's a very lovely person. And she dealt with all my bull crap. But now, I really, really want to do more things like this in the future. Especially if it's something about chemistry, because I love chemistry. It's my favorite thing. Besides English, of course. But now, if you'll excuse me, I must become one with my surroundings.
You good?
Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, I'm gonna let my hair down.
Okay, you do that.
Does it look good?
Glorious.
Yep. So handsome. The phases of math. We've got solids. And I split some skin.
Boy. Dang.
So yeah, that's
Fun.
Alright, liquids are gases are solids. There are fermions in this tree. It's a good tree. But how does it get that way? Well, honestly, I don't freaking know. I totally forgot my line.
Me. Again.
Over here, dum-dum. Oh no, I didn't say that.
Boogie 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 boogie
Zero. Zilch. Nada. I know Spanish. But anyways. Nope, can't move on from that.
I know Spanish.
Bosons are particles that have... What do they have?
Sounds like about numbers.
No. I am a genius. Conductors are conductors, but super. I'm not even joking. That really me off. But super condens. Alright, let's go on. I know, I could do it too. Anyways, the Bose-Einstein condensate is a group of atoms cooled to within.
Oof.
Okay, I'm gonna go climb a tree now.
What are you doing?
Are you recording? Oh.
What are you doing?
Climbing a tree.
Why?
I don't know.
Me.
Oh, I'm gonna fall. Oh no. Oh, I got a cramp. Ah! I got hair in my mouth.
Smartest human alive. Right here.
I got hair in my mouth.
And
Oh.
tree.
Ah.
And you got tree on you.
I got you.
Gross.
Alright, let's go back.
Okay.